So this is all made in Scratch. It is a kind of AI which is used to detect the object, whether it's a sea creature or it is a trash. Accordingly, it is segregating the sea animal. The sea animals are getting passed, but the trash is dumped by the robot. So it's a kind of, you're giving the training to the machine, kind of machine learning, a kind of project for juniors to make in Scratch. If you like this and want me to make the tutorial for the same, please write in the comment section and I will make the tutorial for the same if I'll get 50 comments. So I don't know when it is going to complete 50 comments. Maybe it will take a month, maybe it will take more than that. I have done so many projects and I have post the tutorial for the same on my channel, but I'm not getting the views, I'm not getting the result that I want. I don't know, like, what is the algorithm YouTube is following. I'm not getting that whatever I deserve. I'm not getting the views for my projects and I'm not getting the subscribers even. I don't know what's the problem. So I'll make the tutorial for this if I'll get the 50 comments. So if you like and want to know how I have made this, just write in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon.